Welcome to Farmhouse Bliss. Join us for Farmhouse decor ideas, DIY projects, and rustic living inspiration to a cozy retreat where rustic charm meets autumnal elegance. Today, we're transforming this farmhouse bedroom into a haven of fall-inspired bliss. Join me as we explore creative and inspiring decor ideas to elevate your space. Consider burned oranges, rich burgundy, golden yellows, and deep browns when selecting a color scheme. By incorporating the hues of fall foliage into your bedroom's design, the goal is to bring the outside in. Changing your summer bedding for something more in line with fall colors might be as easy as that. Think about textured cushions in these cozy hues, checkered wraps, or chunky knit blankets. Layering textures is crucial when designing a rustic hideaway. Creating a rich tapestry of textures that beckons you to immerse yourself in the room is more important than simply tossing a few blankets onto the bed. To create that feeling of depth, mix and match materials such as linen, wool, and imitation fur. To elevate the coziness, consider layering chunky knit throws, quilted bedspreads, and faux fur cushions. This not only creates visual interest but also makes the space feel lived in and welcoming. The contrast between soft and rough textures is key to achieving that rustic aesthetic. To truly capture the rustic charm, bringing in natural elements is crucial. Whether it's wooden furniture, woven baskets, or leafy plants, these organic touches ground the space and connect it to the earth. This is where fall truly comes alive inside your bedroom. A rustic farmhouse vibe starts with the bed. Soft, inviting linens and deep autumnal tones in classic farmhouse patterns will set the stage for a cozy space. A bedroom decorated in a farmhouse style, featuring a large bed with a white headboard and bedding with a delicate floral pattern. A wooden bench with storage sits at the foot of the bed. The overall mood is serene, rustic, and elegant. Rustic fall decor isn't just about solid colors and textures, it's also about patterns. Plaid, gingham, and houndstooth are classic choices for creating a cozy fall feel in your bedroom. These patterns evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminiscent of cozy mountain cabins or countryside retreats. Rustic wood frames, live-edge tables, and stone accents all add to the earthy feel of the room. Consider adding a few small touches, like pine cones in a bowl, dried autumn leaves framed on the wall, or a vase filled with dried wheat stalks. These organic details instantly evoke the fall season without overwhelming the space. Accessories and decor are the finishing touches that tie everything together. For a fall-inspired rustic retreat, opt for items that evoke the countryside or autumn harvest. Dried flower arrangements, vintage clocks, or even antlers can make the space feel authentically rustic. Stay tuned for more Farmhouse inspiration. Like, subscribe, and make Farmhouse Bliss your design destination.